Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm creating the simple makeup look, okay, only using simple products. First I'm moisturizing my face with the Good Vibes Pomegranate toner. You can use whichever toner you need. There are lots of toner. You can use toner as rose water as toner also, okay. uh, Let it sit for a while, okay. Toner needs to be absorbed into your skin. Later on you need to apply your first before doing your makeup you need to apply toner in good amount of toner. After that you need to apply your lip balm. I mean, first take care of your skin, then next you have to do your makeup. So I'm moisturizing my lips with the Nika Macron lip balm. This is in the flavor blueberry. Okay, moisturize the lips well, so it will be hydrated. You have your face and your skin has, I mean, your lips and your skin has to be hydrated all the time. So I'm using Good Vibes Mogra perfume. This is the perfume cream. So just for uh, just for good smell I'm applying this at the back of my ear. You can apply, okay, at your face, at your wrist of your hands, anywhere. So first step in our makeup routine. So here I'm using the Insight 3-in-1 primer. Okay, take a little amount of primer. The primer helps to blur out your pores and everything. That will be that gives the mattifying and flawless flawless makeup for your, okay, makeup for your skin. So it will, when you apply the primer, it looks really mattifying and it won't look cakey at all. This is such a good primer. I use another primer, that is the purple primer. You can use whichever primer you want. There are lots of primer, Colorbar, Nika, anything, any, so many brands have so many primers, so you can use whichever you want. So here I'm using the Lakme CC transfer cream. This is not CC cream. I have shown you the CC cream transfer cream in my purple haul. If you want to watch this, you can watch anytime. So I have kept a video on purple haul, so go and check it out. So this one I'm using the Lakme CC transfer cream, okay. So take a little amount, which quantity, how much quantity you needed. So apply it all over your face. So this is just like a cream, CC cream, okay, complexion cream. So you need to apply like this. Take a take a small amount and dot it on your face like this, okay. Make sure that it is make sure don't take a lot of amount of CC cream or foundation. So I have completed my blending, okay. And after that I'm using here the Miss Claire's eyebrow pencil in the shade black. There are two shades in this, brown and black. So here I'm using black one. So here I used the Revolution Tami X palette for my eyeshadow. You can use whichever shadow you want. So I have no mirror behind me, so I'm using the eyeshadow palette as my mirror. So this is really nice, and outside it is raining. Sorry for the disturbance. So make a nice shape of your brows, and after that check it out. You can make it thick or thin as per your wish, okay. So next here I'm using the Makeup Revolution Tami X palette. So here is the shade name is Mars, okay. It's kind of burgundy shade. You can use whichever shade you want, but use only one shade, okay. Okay, blend it nicely, blend it very well. How much you blend and that much the look creates very beautifully. So you need to blend a lot. So you need only, for this simple makeup look, you need only three brushes. Actually two brushes are enough, but here I'm using the three. One for the blush and one for the eyeshadow and one for I have applied the eyeliner with the plum. So that was that. From that I going to blend all that. Okay. So I'm going to blend it very well. You need to blend like this, as I have blended on my face. Okay. So blend it, and I'm applying it on the other side. It's kind of burgundy shade. Look at the shade. This is really good palette. I have bought it from the purple when it is on the offer. Recently I have bought it on I purchased it on purple. It's cost 18 or 1500. You can get it on sale for less amount. I have bought it recently, say beauty sale something, so I buy it there. So I'm applying the kajal. Here is the plum kajal. This is really black in color kajal, and it's really good one. So difference, you can see the difference on the both of the eyes. This make a lot of difference when you apply the kajal. It makes your eyes more bigger and bigger. Okay. So once check your eyes after you applying your makeup. Sometimes you get a thin line, and on other side you will get the thick line. So make sure the both are nice. So here I said I used one another brush for blending. So I applied light amount of kajal on my eyelid as a eyeliner. So okay, I applied it. And next step, you need to take your I mean a brush which is like a to blendable kind of brush, or to drag it. So see the brush. Okay, I buy all my brushes on when before the China products are banned. China apps are banned. I buy it from Club Factory. Now no Club Factory also. Okay, I'm blending it out very well. So this kind of little bit made makes like a smoky look, but this is not even blending. This blended only little bit. Okay, and after that, check your eyes once. Okay, see the eyeshadow, and it's kind of really good eyeshadow. And you can take the neutral colors, transition colors, or nude colors, whichever color you want. Okay, take your so here I'm applying my mascara. Whatever the excess product is on the wall, so you keep it, I mean you remove it from your wand. Okay, if you remove it like that, it helps you to get a smooth eyelashes. Okay, if you have a lot of product on your mascara, I mean on your wand, you will get a thick kind of mascara, and it won't look really natural. So when you apply, you take a little bit amount of mascara, you will get a natural mascara. So your eyelashes will look really pretty and good. Okay, see the eyelashes, I'm using only less amount here, so you can use the less amount here. Okay, I'm so extremely sorry for the sound. Here are a lot, here is you can hear a lot of raining sound here. I'm sorry for that, but what you can do. Okay, and after that I'm applying the blush from Faces Canada palette. So I have said I forgot to set the mascara. It from Lakme iconic mascara. Okay, and after that I'm applying the blush. So this is from Faces Canada face palette. Okay, an eyeshadow, eyeshadow from, I've said you already, from Revolution. And after that I'm taking a little amount of highlighter from the face palette. So just a little bit, this has to be the simple makeup, so that's why I'm taking a little bit, and little bit is enough. I'm using it on my bridge of the nose and my upper lip. I'm not going this on my cheekbones or a little bit of whatever the product is left. I'm placing that on my eyebrow. Okay, next step, this is the last step in the makeup routine. So here I'm using the LA18 lipstick in the shade 935. So I will write it down in the description box what product I have used in my video. So this is the lipstick. Okay, this is really pretty red colored lipstick. This is really nice. So if you like it is in the affordable range and it cost only 100 rupees. You can get it easily. You can get a lot and lots of lipsticks by 100 rupees. Okay, I mean, if you are purchasing 500 for one lipstick, and if you want to purchase in a low cost, or you won't want to keep a lot of money, you can go with this. These kinds of lipsticks are very nice, and LA18 is really the good brand. Okay, the final look is completed. So this is the shade LA18 and IR35. So this is the final look. So look how pretty is this. The look is really very good. So this is simple, and you can get I mean, this products I have used all are in the affordable range. Okay.